Welcome to another edition of MCS Video Tutorials. I'm Ken Jackson and I'm the lead programmer on the product development team for Dexacor 5. In this video tutorial, we will take a look at several new features added to the billing and invoice module. The new features will make it easier to add new line items, record client payments, and create new client notes without going back and forth between separate layouts. Before we get started, we would like to thank Karen and Marty Christensen for their valuable input and feedback that led to these great improvements. So let's dig right in. I'll start by selecting an existing client and adding a new invoice to that record. We select Invoices, create a new invoice, add a new line item, and for this I'll add an individual session and click Save. The first new feature is that cash is now the default terms listed. I can also add other methods as well. Also notice that the current date is automatically entered into the date field and a default of 1 for the quantity field. The next new feature is the Payments tab. I can now enter a new payment without leaving the invoice. The next step is to add a reference number and a payment amount. And the invoice total is adjusted accordingly. Another new feature is the ability to add client notes while adding a new invoice. For this, we click on the Client Notes tab. We also added the ability to view and copy from previous notes, which should make creating new notes a lot easier. I will copy some of this note to paste into the new note. And give the note a new title. And click Save. We are now in the new invoice record, and we can see the new invoice we just entered, along with the balance and the payment adjustment. We can click on Payments and see the individual payment. We can also edit payments, and if we wanted to, we could delete this payment. And from here, we can click on the client's record, return to the client's record. We can see the new invoice we just entered and the new payment, along with the new note. And that covers the new billing and invoice module for Dexacor 5. We hope that this was helpful and that you enjoyed this tutorial.